Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I basically designed this video editor, and it's an advanced image and video based editor with timeline. You can call it as Canva. Canva, as you know, it's a very famous website which allows you to do image and video editing inside their website. So it's a browser based application, guys, and it is making use of FFMPEG and various libraries in the background, and it is also using Fabric.js, Anime.js. A lot of libraries are installed in making this complex application. It's entirely coded in JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So no server-side code is involved right here. It entirely works in the browser, and this is actual interface. So first of all, let me walk you through the actual application. This is the actual timeline that you see with live preview. This is my canvas. This is the actual timeline that you see. We can basically play the video, and then we can export the video to actually WebM video. We can export it to an animated GIF file, or we can also export this to a static image. So if you're doing image editing, so let's suppose if I want to change the background color, we can open this color picker, and then we can change the background color of the canvas. So whichever color that you need to say, you can basically select whichever color. Let me select this color. And also in the canvas settings, we do have this duration property. If I set it to 8 seconds, we can this value is in second, and you will see the duration of the canvas will now be 8 seconds. So then we can also manipulate the size of the width. We can control it by this value. If you want 100 by, you can see that. So automatically it changes. Live preview is there. So whichever design that you are designing, a logo, image, you actually are doing a GIF, you are animating the videos, you want to edit your images, all you can do it in a single tool. Let's suppose we have various presets available as well. If you're designing it for particular social networks, let's suppose you're doing it for YouTube, so 16 by 9. So this is actual aspect ratio for this. 9 by 16 will be for Instagram vertical video, and 9 by 16 this is, and 4 by 3, all these portrait mode. You can see you will select 120 1280 720, which is for the YouTube thumbnail. If you're designing it, these are the different controls. You can zoom out, zoom in, and also drag your canvas by this hand tool. Redo operation, undo operations are also available. If you want to clear out everything, there is this clear button. You can clear out everything, and it will reset to the default mode, and then we can automatically change like this. And now I will actually show you to how to add a text here. So if you just want to add some text in the canvas, you can add this like this, very thin. You can add this so, so this text we have added, guys, and now you can see we can control everything here. Alignment properties, and you can see you can control everything. If you want to align it in the left direction, center, right, so then we can basically have properties italic. You can underline the text like this. We can also have various fonts available for us. So if you want to select the fonts, so the link is given, guys. If you need this application, you can purchase the full source code. The link is given in the description. So it's a very special piece of software that I developed. So if you are interested, the link is given in the description. After that, you will actually get this zip file, guys. The code is entirely written in JavaScript, HTML, CSS. You will get the zip file. After that, you need to extract the content of the zip file. You will get this directory structure, and you just need to install it on any web server that you are uploading your website, and this application will work. If you need some doubt regarding, you can contact me at my email address. So you can also control the opacity of the text as well. You can see that letter spacing as well, control it. Everything is customizable, guys. So you can change the color of the text right here. You can control it. I think my favorite color combination is black background, and black background looks cool, and basically you can now also have a shadow as well. You can provide a shadow to the text. If you want to have a border, you can also provide a border, change the color. So this will also provide the border to the text like this. I think it's not looking good. I'm not good at designing, guys, so just bear with me. I'm very terrible in designing, so I don't design my thumbnails of the video. So that's why you can see the fact here. And here, this is the actual position that you see. It automatically updates that you see position X, Y, the width, height. You can also rotate your thing at a various angle, 45-degree. This is layer based thing, guys. So you see this is a single layer which is available, and if you see it appears for 4 seconds. This is the actual thing right here. Now if you want to export this to a video file, click on this button, download. It will render your video using FFMPEG and in the browser, and you can open this video right here. So this video will play right here. It's a WebM video and it will play it. So it will work for 4 seconds and then it will go away. Animated GIFs as well, click on start and it will basically render this as an animated GIF file, and then automatically it will download as a GIF file right here. You can also download as a static image, PNG, JPG, WebP. So let's suppose I want to download as JPG image. So similar to Canva, guys, Canva also provide the same functionalities with timeline video editor. This is one text right here. You can add multiple text images as well. So these are different templates which are pre-built right here. You can also have my template, save it inside, import, export, everything you can do. And you can upload your own media as well. And let's suppose I want to import some images from my file system. So I can simply import this image, just drag it, and you will see that the image will drag right here. And this has its own timeline that you see in the image. And we can resize the text to just fit right here. Can resize the image right here. So there is also this animated text also available, guys. Let's suppose right here you can just filter with the brightness, contrast level. You can edit this image accordingly, saturation, vibrance, all these things you can control. There is filters are also available: grayscale, sepia, black and white, every retro feel, vintage, so invert. So all these filters pre-made available, guys. You can try out, and you can also crop your image, select any portion that you want to. So there is this crop option available to you. You can crop any portion that you want. Click to crop. So now your image is cropped. You will see that. So there is also the support for cropping the image as well. So after you do this, you can place your image right here. Let's suppose I want to appear the image later, so I can just adjust the timeline. So now the image will appear later. Now you can see the image is appearing later. You can just download that as a video, and it totally depends upon your designing part, guys. I'm not good at designing, so I can't design a good thumbnail, but you can see the power of this software. You can ultimately design any video, text, anything you can design using this software. This is a very awesome application, and you can see that the image appears right after the text. Same goes with the, you can control the quality. You can 1 to 256. So uh, and a GIF, as you all know, guys, it loops through for ultimate number of times. So it will loop through. So it will repeat it will repeat this GIF animation. Totally depends upon your length. So if you want to download it as a static image, you can also download this as a PNG image. For that to appear, I think we do need to put, for the image to appear, you can design ultimate fun little thumbnails using this software. You can see that it's a complete Canva clone, guys. So if you need this, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. And there is also one little cool little stuff. Shapes are also there. You can have your shapes, different kinds of shapes that you can have to design the thumbnail if you want to do like this. And then you can change the color of this. So shapes basically makes the thumbnail far more very easy. You can have customizable shapes available. So you can put emojis as well. These emojis makes the thumbnail far more easy, and you can control the colors right here, and these thumbnails are also there. We have support for, if you see, it is coming through Pixabay, Pixels, all these third-party websites providing free of stock photos. So these photographs are copyright free, so you can safely use these photographs. And it's coming from Pixabay and Pixels API. And you can just search for here inside search bar. If you want to have laptop images, it will search for you laptop. You can see that orientations, you can say colors, black and white. Categories, you can select which categories you want images to appear, and it will show you to you. So photos are provided by Pixabay, Pexels, all these things. Same goes with videos. You can also have stock footage available for you, which is provided by Pixabay and Pexels. So these are all coming through the Pexels and Pixabay API. And you can also upload your own audio file as well, guys, for this video. You can have this option right here, or you can use the test audio files available for us, which is Pixabay. You can also use these audios copyright free. And you can also generate QR code as well, like this. You can embed this QR code inside your video files or thumbnail files as well. If you want to design your thumbnail as a QR code, you can also do it as well. So if you can download this as a image file, your QR code. So when somebody scans this QR code, it will directly go to this URL. So you can basically control whichever. So right here, so you can put here whichever URL you can go, https google.com. So you can put your own website. It can have rounded. You can add put a label as well. Label color, you can change it. So this is the thing, guys, and this is a full editor demo that I showed you guys. Now let me put. You can see all these objects are there. You can hide this and then design it with freedom. You can also have light mode. This is dark mode, light mode. All these things are there. The link is given, guys. You can directly purchase it. The source code is given, and they can directly basically launch the live server. After you get this index.html file, you can simply open this with live server in VS Code. You can directly have this application, and you can save this work by going to this. Uh, you can save your work uh, in the templates. You can basically save this work. Just save it. So now your template is successfully saved right here. So anytime if you want to design from where you left, you can go to the my template section and just you can import that template, or you can export this as a JSON file. So anytime, let's suppose you've lost your work, if you're opening it in a new window, new incognito window, so here your templates are not there. So what in this case what you will do, so right here if you see, go to my templates and just import your JSON file that you saved. So now you can see all your work is now there because we just imported my template. So in this way, guys, you can export your templates using this method. It's very good method. So now let me show you the actual code, guys. And we are actually using, if you see in the JavaScript, we are actually using Fabric.js, jQuery plugins, and these are things. It's a custom thing here. You can see that we are using Pexels API key and Pixabay, which is actually returning those photographs. We're making a simple GET request to actually fetch those stock footage, stock photos, and it is doing its process. So it's a full application, guys. You will get the documentation, CSS, everything. If you still face some doubt, you can contact me at my email address. I will provide you with full assistance support. And this is the actual application. So if you are interested, guys, the link is given. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.